Hello, my name's Sally from Natural Spa Supplies, and I want to introduce you today to an amazing plant-based hair conditioner. This is it, marshmallow root. It's just been dried and shredded, and I've turned it into an extract just by either standing it in cold water or by heating it, and then I can do all sorts of things with it. So on Sunday, 2 days ago, I washed my hair in Vassal clay, and then when I'd rinsed it out, I just literally poured this extract, the marshmallow extract, over my hair and rubbed it in and left it and let it dry. So the first thing is you can use this as a leave-in hair conditioner, but equally, previously I've used it and I've rinsed it out as well. So I found that by leaving it in, and just letting the hair dry naturally, it's allowed the hair to develop kind of a slight wave, and it just makes it look nicer. I think it looks more lively. I've also found that normal hair conditioners, after a few days, they make the hair go limp, but this just isn't doing that. It's made the hair a lot thicker, and I just really like it. But what I want to show you today is how to use marshmallow extract as a combing aid. So when I had finished washing my hair on Sunday, I just tied it up and shot outside and spent the rest of the day gardening, and it was very high winds. So this lot has sort of been blown around a lot and everything, and I don't think I combed it yesterday. So I'll show you how to comb it, and at what point you can use this extract to help with the process. Okay. So you probably all know that when you start combing the hair, start right at the bottom, because this is where most of the tangles form, and you don't want to be sort of dragging through the tangles. So far so good. And then you want to deal with smaller sections. And the whole idea is not to be pulling hair out of the head, and not to be forcing the comb through tangles. If I meet with any resistance, I need to pay attention. If it's a tangle, I need to undo it. Or if it's just generally kind of wind blown, and I would use the marshmallow as a combing aid. So just go gently there. Okay. So far so good. Let's try it on the other side. So small sections. If you feel it pulling, you can always kind of support the hair on the scalp so that you're not kind of, or push it against the neck or something, so that you're not kind of straining on the hair follicles. And then once you can get through, just start from higher up and go down. Use your hearing as well, because you can hear, well, particularly when you're using a horn comb, you can hear how the comb is going through the hair. You can listen out for any kind of resistance. So far so good. No, it's going okay. But here it's going to be more tricky, so I think I will resort to the spray in marshmallow roots. I'm just going to squirt that around. Okay, and then go again. So. Yeah, it definitely slips through a lot more easily with this. Oh yeah, I've got nearly all the way down to the bottom in one stroke. Definitely goes through more easily when it's been dampened with the marshmallow. Yes. Okay. So I'll use it on this side as well. Yeah, it really does make a big difference actually. And the whole idea of my hair regime, using Vassal clay as a shampoo and a natural conditioner. I have got seaweed as well, but this marshmallow is just amazing. It's so economical. Is that I want to carry on growing my hair long, and the issues I've had way back in the past, before I started using Vassal clay to wash my hair, is I was always getting split ends, and now with my new regime, it's not an issue. So I stand a good chance of getting the hair nice and long. The main thing is I don't want to brutalise it when I'm combing the hair, so this is why it's important to get a good technique. The other thing that I'd like to mention in this video is the benefit of using a horn comb. If you want really good quality hair, you do want to be using a horn comb, because a horn comb will always pull out less hair than a brush. And there are lots of benefits to using the horn comb. You will see that this is our design. These are lovely long tines, and I'm going right through and stroking the scalp with each combing action, and that actually helps to clean out the hair follicles, because they can get sort of clogged with things, and it stimulates the hair follicles. So again, you get much better quality hair growth, and it really feels nice. And when I started using the Marshmallow sort of hair conditioner and combing aid, I also had a thought for all those lovely little girls who go to school, who have to have their hair brushed before school, and all the many thousands of tantrums that must take place in every household, you know, around 8:15 or something, or 8 o'clock. So if you have children, I think it's a really nice thing to make hair combing special. You know, get them a really nice beautiful comb, and make it easy with the combing aid. And also the other thing is, remembering when I was a child, I used to hate having my hair washed, because it always tend to get soap in the eyes, and then the conditioner would be just as bad as the shampoo. But with the Marshmallow root hair conditioner, when I did it on Sunday, I just literally just poured it on top of my head and sort of rubbed it around, with no thought of anything getting in my eyes or doing my eyes any harm. And shampoos and conditioners actually do damage the eyes. So there's another benefit to using this completely natural, simple and really benign product. Plus, it's so economical to use. I've got a packet here. This is the smallest, it's the middle-sized packet that we sell, 100 grams. And that's just going to give many, many litres of hair conditioner. And as I say, you can do it just by adding cold water to your marshmallow root, so it's a zero energy system. Or if you're in a hurry, you can just heat it up, and it takes sort of 15-20 minutes just at low simmer to release either the conditioner or the combing aid. So do definitely have a look on our website, naturalspasupplies.co.uk. Go into the shop, and then you can read more about the marshmallow and figure out what good value it is, and get yourself started on it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again next time.